Snow.io is a versatile tool for lead generation, email outreach, and customer relationship management. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to using it effectively. Sign up and log in. Visit Snow.io and create an account. Log in to access the dashboard. Set up your account. Customize your profile and connect your email account for seamless email outreach. Find leads. Use the Email Finder tool to search for potential leads by entering company names, domains, or individual details. Utilize the LinkedIn Email Finder extension to extract contact information directly from LinkedIn profiles. Build a contact list. Save found emails to a specific list for organization. Verify emails using the Email Verifier tool to ensure accuracy. Create email campaigns. Design automated email sequences for personalized outreach. Add variables like names or job titles for tailored messaging. Analyze results. Track email opens, clicks, and responses through the Campaign Analytics dashboard. Optimize campaigns based on the performance metrics. Integrate with other tools. Sync Snow.io with CRMs or marketing platforms to streamline workflows.